Welcome back, everybody, to We Are Infinite with Glenn Burgess. Another amazing day. Another day given to us to find out who we truly are. If we are still breathing and we are still on the face of this planet, we have a purpose, we have a destiny, and we have a plan for each and every one of our lives. Speak to the universe, and the universe will answer. The universe will answer. But we have to be in tune, we have to be in alignment with everything in existence. When the universe answers us, we have to be in compliance to what the universe wants from us. See, the universe wants us to do things out of love, out of peace, out of gratitude, and to be grateful for the things that we have and the things that the universe has given us. I'll give you an example. You ever been to the point where maybe you don't have enough to pay the bills or pay the rent, and at the exact place and time, that exact moment when you need it the most, the universe is always there for you. It is always there for you. The universe is acting in your life even when you don't think it is. The universe has been by your side since the moment of conception. Since you were in the womb, you were placed here for a purpose, a plan, and a destiny. And if you're breathing, you still have a purpose, you still have a plan, and the universe will unfold that either negatively or positively. It's all up to you. Why? Because you are the universe. So when we speak to the universe will answer. So how do we speak to the universe so the universe will answer us? We have to set goals. We have to set a strategy in our life to be able to keep pushing, to be able to be motivated and disciplined and dedicated to following them dreams, to following them goals, and to following those passions. The universe will help you. The universe will guide you. It'll put people in your way. It'll put circumstances and situations, but see, you have to realize that the universe is talking to you. The universe is talking to you every day. Sometimes where our mind is just so blocked with thoughts and all this other crazy shit that goes on in our day-to-day lives. We have to clear our thoughts. We have to meditate. We have to breathe. We have to do the certain things to be able to see the universe talking to us, because the universe will answer us. The universe will answer. It will. And we can speak to the universe at any time in our life. See, we have to block out society. We have to block out the things of society, the things that try to bring us away from who we really are. That is the key. That is the key to getting the universe to answer you. It's going to answer you regardless, whether negative or positive, whatever you're asking, whatever your words are, whatever your thoughts, feelings, and emotions are, the universe is answering that. So change your words, change your thoughts, and change your actions, and the universe will act according to the way you're thinking, speaking, and feeling, and acting. We are powerful, people. We are powerful beyond measure. We are amazing, amazingly designed. And when we learn to speak to the universe in the way we were designed to, the universe will answer. It will always answer. We are so powerful. We can create anything in our life. Everything that is going on in your life now, in your reality, and has been in the past and will be in the future, is because you're creating it. You are a creator. You are a universal creator. You are living in this physical body. This physical body is only a car. Like when you drive a car, that car doesn't go anywhere unless you drive it there. And sometimes a car goes into problems where you have to get it fixed. It's the same with our physical bodies. Sometimes our health goes low where we need it fixed in order to take that car where it needs to go. You want to get somewhere? What do? You get in the car and you go there. It's the same here. As above, so below. You want to get somewhere in life? Use this vehicle. It is powerful. It is there to get you where you need to be, to fulfill your plan, to fulfill your purpose, and to fulfill your destiny. You have a calling on your life, and the universe is going to utilize you. That's why you were put here. We weren't put here to go to football games and to go here and go there like there's nothing going on, like the world doesn't even exist and the things outside of us. We are all connected in the big scheme of things. We are everything. We are the universe. We are powerful beings that can create And we have been creating. It's just up to us to realize that we're creating these things in our life and switch them around. Switch our thoughts, switch our words, and switch our actions, which will transform and switch our destiny. But we have to understand that we need to speak to the universe. And we need to be in accordance and in alignment and in balance with the rest of the universe. You have to be grateful for what you have. You have to be loving to every individual. There's times that I don't like to be loving to every individual, but we have to realize that's who they are. Some are lost, some are found. It's just everybody is designed differently. The universe has created them differently. They each have a different purpose and plan and destiny for the universe to unfold, for the universe to expand. That's what we're doing. We are expanding the universe. When we follow the universe, when we are in balance and in complete order and alignment with everything in existence, we are expanding. We are expanding in a positive way. See, there's negative and positive. We can also be negative, which causes asteroids and collisions and all this other different stuff. I'll get deeper into that later in other videos. But we are powerful. We just have to switch our frequency. We have to switch the frequency to the frequency that the universe has given us, to our plan, our purpose, and our destiny. And how do we change that frequency? You do what you love. You do what your intuition and your heart is telling you to do. That is how we gain the universe. That is how we speak to the universe, and the universe will answer. The universe will answer every one of our wants, every one of our desires, but we have to have faith. We have to believe it. Just like the Bible says, why aren't their prayers being answered? Because they ask amiss. Meaning that they ask, but they don't believe it's going to happen. You have to ask the universe and just believe it and let it go. And just keep pushing and knowing that you already fucking have it. That is the key. That is how the universe works. And be grateful for what you do have, and be grateful for that you've already put into your reality. Act like it's already there. Think like it's already there. Feel like it's already there. And it will happen. How do I know that? Because it's happening in my life. My life has completely changed from jails and prison and correctional facilities and industries and foster care. Now I know. I know I'm loved. I'm loved by a greater purpose. And that purpose is fucking amazing. The universe is amazing, and the universe will change your life. So now I'm asking each and every one of you to start speaking to the universe, and the universe will answer you. Start thinking different, start speaking different, start feeling different. Go about your day as if you already have what you want and what you desire. Feel it, feel gratitude for it, feel love for it, and love others along your way. And share the joy and happiness of what the universe has already given you, even though it's not there yet. Share it with others. And you will see that flourish and come to pass in your reality. I promise you. But for now, we are infinite. I love each and every one of you. Remember, speak to the universe, and the universe will answer each and every one of you. Take time, practice, be diligent, be consistent, be disciplined and dedicated and committed to wanting your dreams and reality to unfold. And it will. Peace.